Putting yourself in front of a camera can be a little bit daunting. Okay, very daunting. But that's okay. That's normal. And if you're finding yourself having some questions or feeling hesitant about where to start, that's why we're here. We have a service called DreamStream, and you have two options where you can either have us there and help you actually record it, and we can say, "Oh, no, do that again," or something a little bit more remote where we can give you an idea of what to put in your background. Do you have something alive in your background? Apparently, that's a thing that people like to see. What else does your background say? What are you going to wear that's going to pop against whatever it is going on for you? So there's a few different things there, but just reach out to us and we can give you more information. DreamStream by Polished Business.